Hello guys, welcome to Urban School. My name is Satya and in this video I am going to tell you how to create a fault in a transmission line or in fact in any three-phase power system. The model is developed in Matlab Simulink. You can download it for free from my website www.urbanschool.in. Okay, let's have a look on the general arrangement of the different blocks of the model. To demonstrate the fault, I have created a grid which is having a power generation source, a step-down transformer, a transmission line, a load and a three-phase fault block. If you want to know more about the grid system, click here. Okay, if you are still listening me, then I consider that you have an idea of a grid system. So let's move ahead. Now the three-phase fault block has several options to create the various types of the faults in transmission line. Majorly we have line-to-line faults and line-to-ground faults. Now each of these faults may occur in one phase or any two phases or all three phases simultaneously. To create the different fault cases, let's double click the three-phase fault block. Here you can select any single phase or multiple phases on which you want to create a fault. Now if you click ground fault checkbox, the phases selected above will have a ground fault. If you uncheck the ground fault box, the fault will be line to line in the above selected phases. So with this single block you can create a line to line or all three lines fault or line to ground or any two line to ground or all three lines to ground faults. To control when the fault should occur, you can mark the check on the external control for fault timing box. In my particular case, I am generating a fault at time 20 seconds and clearing the fault at time 40 seconds. Okay, now let's start the simulation with the line to line fault. I am creating a fault between phase B and phase C. Let's simulate it. Okay, here are the simulation results. Between the times from 20 second to 40 second, we have only two lines here as the phase B and phase C are now shorted. And if you notice, the faulty phase's amplitude is lesser than the normal phase voltage. Okay, now let's create a single line to ground fault. I am creating a ground fault on phase A. Let's see the simulation results. Here the amplitude of phase A is lesser than that of the other two phases, as the line to ground fault is occurring on the phase A. Okay, let's create one last line to ground fault. I am creating a ground fault on phase A and phase B. Let's simulate it. Okay, here is the simulation result. Here we have only two plots as the two phases are shorted and they are having the ground fault on them. In the similar fashion, you can create all three phases fault and all three phases to ground fault as well. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up here. Please do subscribe the channel. We have many simulation videos ranging from wind energy, solar power, optimization and many more. Please post your feedback and if you have some queries, my mail ID is in the description box. This was Satya from Urban School Simulation Services. Till the next time, goodbye.